Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, in the last period we have started with our term 2 syllabus, okay, and we have started chapter 1 also. So take out your saffron textbook everyone. Take out your saffron textbook. Okay, so in the last period we have completed here. Now we will move further now. This also we have completed. Okay, measuring of length. So students, I have told you to measure the length. Length measure करने के लिए हम clips भी use कर सकते हैं, crayons भी use कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो अगर हमारे पास क्लिप भी नहीं है, क्रेयॉन्स भी नहीं है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? सी, इन द एशियन टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल डिड नॉट हैव सफिशिएंट मीन्स टू मेजर लेंथ, दे यूज द बॉडी पार्ट्स टू मेजर द लेंथ. टेक अ लुक दैट दीज यूनिट्स ऑफ measurement. See, even if you are not having the things, you can use your body parts to measure the things. हम अपने body parts भी use कर सकते हैं measure करने के लिए. Okay, so this is the first this one unit of measuring the thing, that is hand span. What? Hand span. Hand span means, see, from your this one lady finger to the thumb. Okay, from your lady finger to the thumb, this is the hand span. Okay, now with this hand span I will measure the length of the board. Okay, देखो क्रेयॉन और क्लिप से हम नहीं कर सकते इतना बड़ा, तो हम हैंड स्पैन से कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो आई विल स्टार्ट. सी, दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How much? 11 hand span. Okay, so 11 hand span I required to measure the length of the what? Board. Understood? तो ऐसे आप दिखा सकते हो. Understood? Like this also you can measure, or like this also you can measure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here half. Understood? So we can measure with the help of hand span. देखो hand span यानी ऐसे, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, थंब से लेके लेडी फिंगर तक. तो यहाँ पे और स्टॉप करना है, आगे और बढ़ाना है. ओके, दिस इज हैंड स्पैन. नेक्स्ट इज क्यूबिट. व्हाट? नेक्स्ट इज क्यूबिट. क्यूबिट इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस, फ्रॉम एल्बो टू द finger. Okay, cubit it starts from elbow to the middle finger till here. Okay, so you can measure the length of the board by using cubit. See, 1 cubit, here it ends, 2 cubit and 3 cubit and 4 cubit and here half. Okay, so the length of this board is 4 cubit and half. Okay, if you will take the cubit, then the board is 4 cubit and half. Understood? Cubit कैसे होता है? यहाँ से elbow से लेके finger तक. Understood? This is cubit. Now the next is foot span. Okay, next is foot span. Now foot span means what? See students, foot span it starts from here, this one heel to the toe. Okay, so here you can measure. This is called foot span. Now suppose this is your foot. ओके, ये आपका फुट है. इमेजिन करो ये फुट नहीं है, लेकिन आपको मैं दिखा रही हूँ. ये आपका फुट है यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. तो आपको यहाँ से यहाँ तक काउंट करना है. ओके, दिस इज फुट स्पैन. नेक्स्ट इज पेस और स्ट्राइड. व्हाट? पेस और स्ट्राइड. नाउ दिस पेस or stride means, see, from one leg to the another leg. Okay, you will walk now, you will walk or not? Okay, so while walking we will place one leg, then afterwards we will take back leg, again front. Okay, so distance between the two legs, distance between the two legs is called pace. What it is called? Pace. देखो, सपोज ये आपका पैर है, हाँ, और ये दूसरा पैर है, तो हम चलते वक्त कैसे करते हैं? दोनों ऐसे ऐसे करते चलते हैं क्या? नहीं. कैसे चलते हैं फिर? एक पैर आगे, फिर एक पैर पीछे, आगे पीछे. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस होता है ना पैरों में, उसे बोलते हैं स्पेस, सॉरी पेस. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? Pace. Understood? So you can use the pace also to measure the length. Okay? अब pace से हम क्या measure कर सकते हैं? रूम की length measure कर सकते हैं. किसकी? रूम की. Okay? So these are some body parts which you can use to measure the length. These units of measurement are known as non-standard units of measurement. ये जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं ना बॉडी पार्ट्स, इसे क्या बोलते हैं? नॉन स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? नॉन स्टैंडर्ड. समटाइम्स इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट टू मेजर बिग थिंग्स यूजिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक क्लिप और अ टूथपिक. वी कैन यूज थिंग्स लाइक स्ट्रॉ और स्टिक टू मेजर लॉन्गर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. देखो, कभी कभी बड़े बड़े जो ये होते हैं, थिंग्स होते हैं, चीज़ें होते हैं, तो हम वो क्लिप से या फिर टूथपिक से, क्रेयॉन से हम नहीं मेजर कर सकते, है ना, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा रहता है. इसलिए तो हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? स्ट्रॉ, स्टिक, हाँ, सच थिंग्स यू कैन मेजर. ओके, लेट अस मेजर लेंथ यूजिंग स्टिक्स ऑफ द सेम साइज. देखो, अभी ये दरवाज़ा, ओके, दिस आई वॉन्ट टू द डोर, I want to measure. So what they have used? Can we use your clips to measure the length of door? No, it's too small. Okay, crayon? No. So you can use a stick. What? You can use a stick. Fine. The fence is about 7 sticks long, and here door is there. The door is about dash sticks long. Now here see. How many sticks are required to measure the fence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sticks long. Okay. Now the door is about dash sticks long. Now here, where is the stick? Here. Okay. So how many sticks? 1. So door is about 1 sticks long. Understood? Got it? Just a minute, students. If you will see here, just a minute, sorry for this. If you will see in the picture, अगर आपके पिक्चर में आपने देखा है तो ठीक से देखो, वहाँ पे उन्होंने स्टिक्स यूज किए हैं. क्या किए हैं? स्टिक्स यूज किए हैं. हाँ, देखो यहाँ पे ये जो स्टिक है ना, ये पूरा एक नहीं है, इसमें कट्स है. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी कट्स स्टिक्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? यू काउंट प्रॉपरली एंड टेल. It is 5. How many? 5. The door is about 5 sticks long. Okay. It is brown. It is brown in color. That sticks. Easily आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा, लेकिन है वहाँ पे. हाँ, 5 and 7. Understood everyone? Next, my practice time 1. How long are these objects? See, already they have used this one, clips, crayons, they have used. So how many crayons or clips required, that you have to count and write. Okay, so this, how many clips? About 1 2 3 4 5 6. About how many? 6 clips. Okay, pencil box, it is of 6 clips long. Now the next is, come on, count the crayons they have used. Count it. How many crayons? 1 2 3 4. So this is about 4 crayons long. Okay, 4 crayons long. Understood? Write there 4. Write there 4. Wrote. Now on the next page, to measure toothbrush. Okay, to measure a toothbrush. So you can measure a toothbrush. Fine, they have used their clip. So how many clips are required? It is about how many clips long? 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many? 5 clips long. Okay, now your book. How many crayons? Yes, how many crayons are required? How many? 3 crayons. How many? So this book is 3 crayons long. Okay, now the next is brush, paint brush. Okay, paint brush and comb you have to write. Come on, do yourself. Be fast. Come on, be fast. Finish. Okay, so how long is the paint brush? Yes, it is about 4 crayons long. Okay, and a comb, 3 clips, sorry, not 3, wait, not 3, it's 5 clip long. How many? 5 clips long. Okay, you got same answer now? You also wrote same? Very good. Next, which body part you can use to measure the following? Okay, now here you have used clips and crayons. Now here you have to use the body parts. Okay, so for what we will use the body part, which, that you have to write. First is your desk. अभी हमें डेस्क की लेंथ मेजर करना है, तो कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट अब यूज करोगे? Which body part unit you will use? You will use the hand span, cubit, foot span or pace. You can use the what? Cubit. What? Cubit. देखो डेस्क हम कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं? ऐसे क्यूबिट से. Okay? Next, snacks box means your tiffin box. So for measuring the tiffin box, what you will use? What you will use? Tiffin box is small, na? So small you can use. Hand span. Okay, what you can use? Hand span. So by hand span you can measure the snacks box. Okay, next, blackboard. What? Blackboard. I have shown you now. So what you will use? Yes, cubit. What you will use? Cubit. Next, height of a boy. What you will use? Height of a boy? किससे मेजर करोगे हाइट ऑफ अ बॉय? यस, क्यूबिट से यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन यूज द क्यूबिट. नेक्स्ट, पेंसिल. Pencil is small, so you can use the hand span. Next, distance from school gate to your class. ओके, स्कूल गेट से लेके क्लास तक हमें डिस्टेंस मेजर करना है, तो क्या यूज करोगे? यू विल कम बाय वॉकिंग ना? यस, देन वॉकिंग, while walking what you will do? Will take your feet, yes, one after the another. So what it is? Pace. What it is? Pace. Understood? Next is duster. For duster what you will use? For duster, hand span. Okay, so you can write your hand span. Understood? Your desk, cubit, snacks box, hand span, blackboard, cubit, height of a boy, cubit, pencil, hand span, distance from school gate to your class is pace, and duster is also hand span. Okay, so in this way you can do or measure the things by using the body parts. Okay, the next is my experiment with maths. Okay, so here you can see the experiment. Measure in hand span and color as many boxes as your answer. Okay, so the length of your maths book. So you have to measure your maths book, saffron book, with the hand span, and if it is 3, so you can color the 3 box, 4 box, like this. Study table, fine. So like this you have to do. Now here measure in cubits. This desk you can measure in cubits. Okay, so you can write here. जितना आपको नंबर मिलेगा उतना आपको कलर करना है. Measure in strides and color. Classroom, school corridor. Okay, so instead of classroom and school corridor, you can measure your this one, kitchen and hall. Understood? Turn the page. Turn the page. State whether true or false. We can measure the length of a book using stride. देखो strides यानी, yes, strides means distance between two legs. So you will use the pace or stride to measure the length of a book? No. So this is false. Come on, write there false. Come on, be fast. Finish. Next, we can measure the length of a box using straws of different size. Yes, students, of different size you can use? No. So this is also false. एक साइज का ही होना चाहिए. Next, in ancient times, people used to measure length using their body parts. When these crayons, clips, means things were not available. So people used to measure the things with body parts. Correct. True. Next, a snake is longer in length while a lizard is shorter. Snake लंबा है, lizard छोटा है लेंथ में. करेक्ट है ना? Yes, so this is true. Come on, write it. Write fast. Finish. Next. Okay, so students, we have learned about the length. लेंथ हम कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं? क्लिप से, क्रेयॉन से. ओके, अगर क्लिप क्रेयॉन से नहीं होता है तो हम स्टिक्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं या फिर बॉडी पार्ट्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट हाउ टू मेजर द वेट. वेट यानी वजन. ओके, so how you will measure the weight? If you will compare your mother's weight and your weight, who is more? आपने आपकी मम्मी की वजन और आपका वजन कंपेयर किया तो किसका ज़्यादा है? ऑफ कोर्स मम्मी का. ओके, सो व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड? यस, वेइंग मशीन है ना. क्या लगता है? वेइंग मशीन लगता है. ओके, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर यूज्ड टू मेजर द वेट ऑल्सो. आप अपना वजन देखते हो ना, वो राउंड जैसा मशीन होता है उस पर खड़े होके. हाँ, चलो. सो विच आर द टाइप्स और थिंग्स यू कैन यूज टू मेजर द वेट? फर्स्ट, वेट इज द मेजर ऑफ हाउ हेवी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज. ओके, वेट से हमें क्या पता चलता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट कितना हेवी है या फिर कितना लाइट है. ओके, फ्रॉम वेट यू विल कम टू नो हाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज हेवी एंड लाइट. हेवी यानी व्हाट? वजनदार. एंड लाइट मीन्स हल्का फुल्का. ओके, ये किससे पता चलता है? वेट से. ओके, नाउ टेक द हेवियर एनिमल. Now we have two animals are there. So which is heavier? Heavier यानी ज़्यादा ऐसा वजन वाला. Is it monkey or elephant? Yes. Come on, imagine in front of your eyes. Yes. Monkey or elephant? Yes. Elephant is heavier. Next. Take the lighter fruit. Here watermelon is there and here apple is there. So which is lighter? हल्का फुल्का कौन सा है? Imagine करो कि आप watermelon उठा रहे हो और apple उठा रहे हो तो apple is easy. Okay? So this is lighter. Understood? Fine. Put the tick. Here elephant and here apple. Understood? Next, people use weighing scale to measure the weight. This is how it works. See, this is called measuring or weighing scale. What it is called? Weighing scale. Tarazu. You know na? If you will go in market to buy the vegetables, they will use the weighing scale. है ना? तराजू बघतो की नाही आपण मार्केट मध्ये. हाँ. So this you will use to measure the weight. How it works? See, heavy side down, light side up. There are two bowls, means bigger bowls there are. If you will place heavy in one bowl and you will place lighter in one bowl, so heavy will come down and light will go up. Heavy वाला नीचे आएगा, lighter वाला ऊपर जाएगा. Okay? Both the things are same of the same weight. See, if on both bowls you will keep the same things. Here also 4 apples of same weight and here also 4 apples. So अगर दोनों का भी वजन इक्वल है तो क्या रहेगा? दोनों भी बाउल ऐसे इक्वल ही रहेंगे. ओके, सी नेक्स्ट वन. सर्कल O the heavy object and cross out the light object. Tick if both the objects are of same weight. Okay, now in the first picture, students, here you can see many flowers. Okay, and here you can see pot. So which is heavy? Which is heavy? Flowers or pot? Yes, pot is heavy. That's why it has came down. So make here O, and this is light, so it went up. So this is cross. Okay, come on, do it. Do it fast. Finish. Next, in the next one side fruits are there and one side books are there. Okay, the weight of these things are same. That's why they are of same height. So what you have to do? Tick if both the objects are of same weight. So you have to tick it. Fine? Do. Finish. Next, now in the next picture you can see cats and bunnies. Okay, cats and bunnies. Now here students, bunnies went up and cats came down. Means which is heavy? वजनदार कौन सा है? Cats. So this cat side came down. So heavy I have to make here O, and lighter it has went up. So I have to cross. Okay. So students, we have learned how you can measure the length by using your body parts. Okay. This is what? Hand span. Okay. And here from here to here cubit. Foot means suppose this is your foot. So from here to here foot. And pace is distance between two legs. Okay, so these are the body parts you can use to measure the length. And also we have learned what is weight. Okay, so further things we will see in the next period. Thank you.